Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the All New Kindle. So the Kindle is a device which is quite popular among multiple users who like to read books or majorly ebooks. There are three versions which are available on Amazon. Today the one we have with us is the entry level variant, which is for 8,000 rupees. It is called as the All New Kindle. When you see the packaging also resembles like a book cover, and the display size of this Kindle is 6 inches display. Let me just quickly show you the dimensions of the device. And if you see, this is a 6-inch display. Previous models did not have a built-in light, but this one does have a built-in light. The main advantage of the built-in light on this new generation of Kindle is that you can read it in the dark by adjusting the brightness. The storage space that is available on this Kindle is 4 gigabytes, and it is a Wi-Fi only variant. Now let us take a look at the main device. Wow, it looks beautiful. The white color is amazing. It's a matte white color. Inside the box, other than the device, you get the quick start guide and some information about your Kindle. Other than this, there is nothing else that is available in the box except for a micro USB cable. So you do have to remember that once when you will need to charge your device, or even if you need to sync your books which are available on your PC to your device, you will need this micro USB cable. It's a standard one. Even if you lose it, you will get another one, so you don't need to worry about it. Let's put all these things back and take a look at the device. So as you can see, the device is quite thin. The previous generations of the entry-level Kindle were a bit thick. They also didn't have a backlight display, but this is a much thinner version. The previous versions, that if you have seen them, were a bit thick. And on this device, on all four sides, it's a plain matte finish with only one button at the bottom of the screen, along with a micro USB port and a back. At the back, you will have the Amazon logo. Now let us quickly power on the device and let me show you how the device looks. So if you see from all sides, the viewing angles are great. It's an e-ink display which will reduce the strain on your eyes. For the setup, it will ask you your preferred language. It takes some time to load up on the screen for the first time, but once the setup is done, it runs smooth. Also, if you have a mobile holder or a stand like me, you can place it at a comfortable position, which makes it easier to read or shoot as well. Now you have to connect your Wi-Fi here. Also, you will notice that while typing on this keyboard, there is a slight lag between the input, but it is because of the e-ink display. It is not the conventional displays that are used on the phone. Once you enter your password and you are connected to your Wi-Fi, it will ask you to sign into your Amazon account so that the books that you have purchased on Amazon can be synced with your device. So now it is just showing me a prompt to log into my Amazon account. So once you enter your account details and you log into your Kindle, you will see your name and you will see the time. Unfortunately, you can only use the clock in a 24-hour format, not in a 12-hour format. It asks you to enter your number so that it can send you a link for the app which you can download, which is the Kindle app basically. It also shows a mini tutorial where you can go through it to understand how to use the Kindle. This is basically like a home screen where you have your purchased books, some recommendations which you can purchase and download, and you can read it later as well. Now if I show you the settings on this device, it is quite simple. With the minimum brightness, it looks like this. Now I will turn it to the maximum brightness. There are three options which are available right here, which is the airplane mode to sync your Kindle, which will add new purchased books to your Kindle device, and the settings, which have a list of drop-down options where you can access all the settings that are available on this device. So let's quickly go to settings here, and you can see you can also set a passcode if you don't want others to read your books, and you can change the time, which we discussed earlier as well. Restarting your Kindle or resetting your Kindle, the factory settings can be done from here. Goodreads option is a good companion app for your Kindle where you can keep a list of all the books that you would like to read or you have read already. So there could be a small software update which might be available. Once you connect your device to Wi-Fi, you will be able to see if this update is available and it will be downloaded automatically. Your Kindle device will restart after the update has been downloaded. So do check out my next video, which will be about the features that are available on this Kindle which allow you to enhance your reading experience. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, do give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, do let us know in the comments. We will try to get back to you as soon as we can. So have a good day. A Vlog signing off. Bye bye.